Just wait, I'm still writing.
And my cousin is copying me. He's also videoing.
I just want to make a new video.
Banana tic-tac. Banana tic-tac. Banana tic-tac. I see the
23.
banana tic-tac. This is Riley's room. My cousin, the one that's going.
Can you just clean your mess that you just put out? You haven't did it for once.
The vlog is blue.
Just clean up your mess. Sophia, Francesca, Sophia, Jessica, Burr.
The vlog said yes.
Who's the vlog?
The vloggy!
Oh, the vloggy.
This is Vloggy, his name. Banana tic-tac. Banana tic-tac. Banana tic-tac.
Put them all in here.
And let's just go video.
I forgot. Wait, guys, wait now.
You never mind.
I'm putting things that Sophia didn't play.
Here's the vlog.
Give me that. Boom. And then. Okay, now I'm ready to draw. Boom.
A video with Riley's in our middle
Of the
video.
I can hear you, you know.
Yep. Sorry, what's it? Jensen Riley gigatuin.
What? You know how old we are, Sophia and me? We're both 6 right now.
Yeah, just like Riley said, we're both 6. I have a jumping.
That's my. Have you ever known this is my
I
room?
just ate.
Have you ever known this is my room? So everything here is mine. You keep on thumbing the chair and then my bed.
Remembers you.
Huh?
I'm over here in the bed and you are just over there. Ow! Are you okay?
Yes.
Did you actually
Forgot this.
Did you actually know me and Riley is actually cousins? Here is Riley. Say hi, Riley.
Hi. Ugh. Why is that so bright?
Sometimes punch. Why is it so bright?
It's so bright. What happened to the scene? Wait, I had to pause this. Bye.